Okay, this is a modification of the memoire program to incorporate mouse entry. It's a bit cumbersome with those typing in coordinates or spaces, because if you get it wrong, or you put too many spaces in, or you put a non-numeric character in there, it'll give an error and break out the program. So I've incorporated this mouse reader. And it's pretty straightforward actually. You just when you get for exit, check for exit in the program. It's an event type. If you press the cursor on there, it'll quit it. And it's just a different type of event type. Mouse button down, it's called. So the thing is, with this, it'll pick up the whole list. So if you do a little rat-a-tat-tat on the mouse button, it'll increase it, and we only want it twice because we only want two pictures. So it'll give an error. It'll keep increasing this in this bit, and give out an error. So I had to put this in to make sure it's not above 2, because the coordinate array defined up here is 4. If it goes above 2, it'll go out of range basically and give an error. So, well, it's much the same. It's very similar. You just check the coordinates here, make sure it's not a blank space if it isn't, and they're both the cursor both lies within a card frame and not in between or on a blank one. So let's check for a blank one as well, as it not being in between 2 cards. So it'll ignore it if it's between 2 cards, and it'll ignore it if it's already been matched, i.e. it's been removed from the grid. So again, I've done this here to check, make sure, just as a precaution, to make sure it hasn't gone too fast for when it compares them down here. If it's got 2, i.e. 2 coordinates to be entered, like, then it'll go and check to make sure, well, to check if they match the 2 cards that you've selected with the mouse. So I've removed that display as well with the coordinates down the bottom, x, y, x, y, and it's just the grid now on your mouse. It'll give this message out the same when you've removed all the cards and matches. But other than that, it's a lot faster as well. I've reduced the pause when it flips the cards over. I've reduced the pause. Before it was 4.5 seconds, but it was a bit long to wait, so I've reduced it to 2 seconds, 1000, 2000. It's just that's the pause command there, and it's exactly the same program, other than the coordinate entry, really. So I'll say it's fun. Yeah, see, fast as before. Leave that up there, so you go one and that. See, it's very fast. If you go like that, it won't accept that. It'll wait until you press on a card. You have to match them 64 pixels, 64 by 64 pixels within each one. So that's a comparison each time. Show you that bit. It compares, make sure that it's actually on a card, and that's checked here, right, within the range, right. 64 plus 69 is, well, it's on the 70 plus, however, because that's where it starts. The first one, that's 70th pixel, x coordinate, up to each one. So 64 pixels plus 69, 70, and less than 135, i.e. 134. 64. 70 plus 64 is 134. And it'll do the same with the y. 64 down as well. 64 plus 50. See? So keep entering them in. See if we can match one. You notice it's a lot faster. There we go. So now if I do that, it won't let me do that. It will wait until I put on another one. Like if I do that and that, it'll just ignore it. Do that and that, it'll wait for me to press another one. See? You just keep going on like that. Like I said, I've tested it before, it works till the end. It took quite a while. See, it stops you pressing it too fast. That. Otherwise it gives an error. So it'll list a whole load of events. As you press the mouse too many times. Etc. etc. It's a vast, well, it's quite a bit of an improvement, I think, over that cumbersome coordinate entry down here. Yeah, it's a lot faster as well now that I've taken that pause down a bit from 4.5 seconds to 2 seconds. Okay. Oh, thanks.